think I have the right graphics cards for you to pick up this holiday season. Now, I know the holiday is probably over while you're watching this, but you probably got some gift cards, some cash, and you're thinking of upgrading your graphics card on your PC. And you're going, Thunder E, they're expensive. No, this isn't. I'm talking about the ASUS Prime Radeon RX9070 OC. This is a well-priced card that is currently priced around $634. That gives you bang for your buck. Now, to do this build and show you what I have here, I partnered with our friends at ASUS to showcase this card and some of the abilities on here. And I will be giving away a card, one card, at the end of this video. So go ahead and stay tuned, watch all the way through, and we'll talk about it. Okay, so let's talk about the card itself. Now, the ASUS Prime Radeon RX9070 OC is a slim card. I do like the look and shape of the card, not too bulky, nothing too crazy. It's a 3-fan card, so which of course you got 3 cooling fans on here. You also know that this is a PCIe 5.0 card with 3 display ports, 2.1 and 1 HDMI 2.1 port. Again, in terms of fit, this will fit into your mid-tower case, so it will fit quite nicely in there. Now, of course, you gotta have a build. And in this case, I made a quick build for you guys to see what this card can actually do. And let's start off with the CPU. Our CPU here is an Intel Core Ultra 7 265K. This is solid, nice, low-price processor that we can actually put here. And our RAM, yes, I know, I mentioned RAM, which currently is expensive. And trust me, guys, I bought this a while back. This is a Crucial Micron RAM. I'm going with 64 gigabytes of RAM with 32 gigabyte kits here. Then moving to our storage, I actually went with 2 1 terabyte Kingston Fury solid NVMe's with, of course, good read and write speeds that you would expect from Kingston. Power supply is an ASUS Prime 850 power supply, nice and good. Then we have our motherboard. This is an old motherboard I had from Gigabyte, but it supports, of course, a Core Ultra 7. So I was able to go ahead and stack this in here. And everything that houses the components all together, including, of course, our GPU, is a case from Fractal Design. That is the Epoch case. It is a nice case. I got it in white. Love the aesthetics. Easy and great cable management. So we've got everything installed. What are we going to be doing for performance? And I said, okay, look, for something like this with the RX9070 from ASUS and AMD, we need to play some games with some oomph. So I decided to go with Arc Raiders, Doom: The Dark Ages, Cyberpunk 2077, and Battlefield 6. I think these are games that will give us some nice performance push along the way to see how it actually performs. Before we get there, we have to talk about the monitor that we're using to play the games. This is the ASUS ROG Strix 32. This is a super glossy OLED monitor. It is so good. It looks absolutely stunning. It also is a dual refresh rate monitor, 4K 165, Full HD 330. But in this case, I'm testing everything at 4K. I want to see how far we can actually push this device. But I got to tell you, this monitor is so good, so sublime. I mean, everything looks super sharp on there. But let's go ahead and start off with our first game. So kicking things off with Arc Raiders, a beautiful game, great scenery, a lot of graphical details here, right? Of course, you can see our settings on screen, and without turning FSR on, you can see we're getting a good solid like 60 FPS, which isn't bad. But turning FSR on with the 9070 OC, you're getting 134 frames per second. You can see the details on the character, details in the scenery, also the action as well. Looks really good and very, very vibrant. So I definitely like that. Now, our next game is a game that I love playing, which of course is Doom: The Dark Ages. And this, of course, for some of the mech stages here. Here, I have everything on medium settings. I go ahead and I turn FSR on, and I'm getting solid 200 frames per second. Smooth gameplay, great response, looks absolutely gorgeous. And remember, I'm playing this at 4K resolution. All games are played at 4K resolution here. So this is really pushing what this card is. Yes, you can go on a 2K monitor, you're going to get higher FPSs, but remember, if you can do 4K, other resolutions, doesn't matter, it can handle it. Now, the next game here is Cyberpunk 2077. This is a game that has a lot of ray tracing, it looks really good, a lot of detail on here. And with FSR on, with my settings on screen, as you can see, I'm getting roughly an average of about 220 frames per second. And it's smooth, butter smooth, action is smooth, gameplay is smooth, you can just feel it with this game. And again, the 9070 OC really does the job, especially on this monitor. Again, think about it, 4K resolution, pushing it quite well. This is a beast at this level. Now, the final game is Battlefield 6. Battlefield 6, have the settings on screen here with FSR on and getting 350 frames per second. That is gorgeous. That means that with this GPU, you can really push things, and AMD and ASUS have really done a good job here with, of course, the way this actually handles. What I noticed is that things ran really well, very smooth, and I had no slowdowns, which is what you expect and what you get, especially if you're spending $630 for a GPU. And I can safely say that is definitely worthwhile. Now, I believe they do have a white variant, which I couldn't get at the time, but I gotta tell you that this card really pushes things quite well. You can see the numbers there on screen yourself. Now, the main thing is, would you pick it up? I say yes, you definitely should. And the next question you're asking is, how do I get to win this GPU? Well, it is very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and like, share, and then subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment on what you liked best in this video. It could be the gameplay, it could be the graphics card itself, it could be a scene you saw. Leave a comment down below and you're entered to win. But I gotta tell you guys, this is a fun card and a solid card to get. So if you have any questions, any comments about the ASUS Prime Radeon RX9070 OC, let me know. Otherwise, this is Thunder saying thank you and always enjoy your entertainment.